Mersin International Port, Turkey's largest trade gateway to the world. Every day we set new records, continuing the growth with our logistic ecosystem. As traffic increases day by day, the city of Mersin and its citizens are tangibly affected by this increased intensity. Therefore, the port urgently needs improved access and connecting roads. In order to ensure the continuity of this magnificent growth, we are happy to put the Gates project into service, and we are excited to bring it to life as soon as possible. Access to Mersinport is mostly provided from the Adana D400 direction via the highway D400 connection. In the current traffic structure, the traffic coming to the port is handled through gates B and D. While gate B is used for the container loads, the other loads are brought in through gate D. Although every effort is made to separate these two traffic flows optimally, because of the heavy density sometimes experienced at gate B, some container cargo is transferred to gate D with the aim of optimizing the fluidity of the traffic flows. However, also due to the increased volume, the load at gate B cannot be adequately accommodated, and gate D is also struggling to cope with the additional cargo load. We will solve this problem from the past thanks to the Gates project, which will be implemented with the cooperation of Mersin Governorship, Mersin Metropolitan Municipality, Republic of Turkey State Railways, the General Directorate of Highways, and our relevant stakeholders. We rolled up our sleeves for the Gates project with a budget of 230 million Turkish lira, which we aim to complete in a short time. The Gates project includes 2 connection points near the junction on the D400 highway, 3 canal crossings within the Toki area, 1 flyover bridge on the Turgut Özal Boulevard, 1 6-lane bridge over the Çavuşlu water stream, and 10 access gates, several automation processes, and the necessary auxiliary facilities. For the construction of the 6-lane bridge, which is a critical point in the realization of the project, the allocation of 1,680 square meters of land needed in the veterinary area was realized. Moreover, 2 canal bridges and 1 railway displacement were completed within the scope of the project. On completion of the project, vehicles carrying containers and general cargo will be able to enter the port via a new 3-lane access road in the terminal, which will be built from 132nd Street. The trucks will be able to continue without stoppage under the flyover bridge, which is part of the entire project to the entrance gates of the terminal. In addition to the vehicle, plate, load recognition systems to be built with the latest technology, vehicles that do not have the necessary documents will be able to be diverted out of the port at the registration office point without coming to the customs office. In this way, congestion at the terminal gates will be avoided. Vehicles arriving at the CFS area will be able to enter the port area without stopping and without interrupting the railway, with a separate branch to be opened in the Adana direction of the D400 junction. The Gates project, which is of historical importance for the future of Mersin, will not only separate the port traffic from the city's D400 road, but will also support the increased capacity in the port as it will accelerate the truck entries. The Gates project will significantly raise our service level. Thus, a more efficient vehicle traffic management will be achieved, and we will be able to speed up the cargo handling process and make the logistics chain more cost-effective. But above all, our project, which will contribute to the improvement of the life quality of our stakeholders, will provide sustainable benefits to the environment. As MIP, we are aware of our responsibility for a more livable environment, and we will continue to assume this responsibility. Our project is ready. Our budget is ready. MIP is ready. We know that also all our stakeholders are ready, and we are thanking them sincerely for their support. Mersin expects a quick solution. We will solve it together. The port of Mersin is growing. Turkey becomes stronger with Mersin.